the circus, whether you like it or not. I told her she could take a hike. She kicked me in the rear. I said, all right, I'll go, but let me just make one thing clear. Don't send in the clowns. Don't send in the clowns. Don't send in the clowns. They always bring me down. Hey, so my mother dragged me to the circus on that day. She bought me cotton candy, which I quickly threw away. There were jugglers, acrobats, a monkey in a dress. The elephant made quite a stink. It was okay, I guess. But then came the clowns. Not the clowns. Don't send in those clowns. Anything but them. Don't send in the clowns. No, why did it have to be clowns? I went home from the circus and I never went again. Phooey. But then came the clowns. No, not the clowns. Don't send in those clowns. Anything but them. Don't send in the clowns. No, why did it have to be clowns? I ran home from the circus and I never went again. Phooey.